The center turn lane, also known as the two-way left turn lane, is a lane in the center of a two-way street. It is bound by a solid yellow line and a broken line on each side. There are a few different ways to use center turn lanes. They can be used by vehicles in both directions to make left turns onto side streets. They can also be used by cars making a left turn from a side street onto the roadway. In that case, the car pulls into the center turn lane, then waits for the opportunity to safely change into the traffic lane. There are some things you can't use the center lane for. Don't drive in the center turn lane. It can't be used as a passing lane either. In fact, you really shouldn't be driving in the center turn lane at all. Remember, cars could be coming into the lane from the opposite direction. The maximum distance you're allowed to drive in the center lane is 200 feet. Some states allow up to 400 feet, but the safest option is to just use that lane for turning and nothing else. Center turn lanes can be a huge help when you're making left turns. Just be sure you're using them safely.